Ever have to clean that chilly cooling coil on your car without taking off the whole dashboard? Well, we're gonna do just that. First up, we'll open up the blower chamber so we can access the cooling coil. Then, we'll get to work on removing that tiny nut and those wires from the chamber. Trust me, this isn't as hard as it sounds, especially if you've got some basic DIY skills. Just remember, take your time and don't rush through it. This is a city Honda car. The blower chamber has been removed. Now you can access the cooling coil. From here, the cooling coil was very dirty from inside. If we do not clean it on time or get it serviced, the coil gets rusted due to the dirt inside and the coil gets damaged due to this reason. In most of the cars, the cooling coil gets damaged due to rust and AC gas keeps leaking. The AC chamber looks pretty disgusting. I'm gonna scrub it real good with some shampoo and a pressure wash. It's very important to gently rub the fins in the right direction. If you brush with too much force or in the wrong direction, the fins can become crooked. After scrubbing, rinse the coil with water. Clean and fresh cooling coil. I have placed a bottle into a AC drainage pipe in order to enable me to observe whatever dirt has been eliminated from the cooling coil. Let's find out the outcomes of this experiment.